In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add embed form Klaviyo. The goal here is to take a sign-up form that you have already designed and saved as a draft, publish it, and then enable it so you can embed it on your website. I will walk you through the exact clicks inside Klaviyo, and I will also share a few quick pointers so the process goes smoothly. First, open your Klaviyo account and go to the section called Sign Up Forms. This is where Klaviyo keeps all of your forms, including live forms and drafts. From there, open your drafts. Take a moment to confirm you are selecting the correct form, especially if you have multiple versions with similar names. It is a good habit to quickly scan the form content so you know you are publishing the right one. Once your draft form opens in the editor, look for the Publish button. Click Publish. This action tells Klaviyo you are ready for the form to be used outside the draft environment. If you recently made edits, publishing ensures those updates are included. After you click Publish, wait for the confirmation to appear so you know the publish step completed properly. Next, you will see a modal that says the form was published successfully. In that same window, click Enable. Publishing and enabling are not always the same thing, so this part matters. Publishing makes the form available, and enabling turns it on so it can be connected for display on your site. If you skip enabling, the form may not appear when you expect it to. After you enable the form, you will choose how to add it to your website. You will typically see two options: set up manually or integrate with your website platform. If you choose set up manually, Klaviyo will provide the embed option you can place into your site where you want the form to appear. If you choose integrate with your website platform, select your platform from the list, such as Shopify or WooCommerce, and follow that platform connection flow so the form can be embedded through the integration. Take your time on this selection and match it to how your site is built. Once you have chosen the method and the website platform, you are set to proceed with embedding on the site you selected. That covers everything you need to know.